How do we move on from this, coach? Looking ahead, we have CONCACAF in August, the transfer window open soon. Are you looking for anything specific?
Well, I mean, yeah, I think it's a bit early to really talk. We have to look on our season, we have to do a review, and then we take it from there.
So here I was, watching some cricket, then boom!
Bomber drop!
Come along and explode and create a havoc in the local football world. If you are living under a rock and somehow miss Wagwan, basically Mount Pleasant, the last season's regular champions, has fired not just only their head coach Tappa Withmore, but their assistant Davian Ferguson, the goalkeeper coach, couple trainers, and even the tea lady. They're all gone. And I mean
Everyone!
So I have to first of all give credit to management of I Am Sure Sports, who first got this information out to the public early Sunday morning and did an excellent follow-up video where you can see right here, which I think you guys should check out because he actually go in depth to give you an idea who he thinks will replace Tappa Withmore at the helm at Mount Pleasant. But I'm here to basically, to give a little wrinkle into the situation because I got some information, some person slip a piece of paper by my side that kind of shedding some light on what they think really what was going on in Tappa Withmore's head and this future. Now, a bit of warning before I go any further, I am not a certified sports journalist, so anything I say from this point, of course, take it as 100% rumor. So, basically what the information was given to me the source said that Tappa Withmore was actually already planning his exit route long before the actual final. In other words, they were saying Tappa was already planning not to renew his contract that was running out by July anyway, allegedly of course. Not only that, the bigger news that he provided is that Whitmore have already lined up or allegedly lined up his next destination, and we should be hearing something about that very soon. So he declined to tell me where that possible destination could be. It could be locally, regionally, internationally, I don't know. But my little hamster wheel in my head started to turn, and I tried to put one and two together. And if you have followed my channel and saw my video last week on what was going on over Montego Bay United, where their top coach Theodore dos Santos was not returning, you start to think, wait a minute. So when you add to the fact that a couple days after that video was published, Theodore dos Santos actually mentioned to the media that he was actually fired and it wasn't any mutual consent why he left. He even went further to say he was puzzled as he didn't understand why the club let him go. So I am now just trying to do some maths here and put 1 + 2 together and thinking since Whitmore have history of course and he have source and base in Montego Bay and the source said him know him a go already, maybe too easy but maybe, just maybe, it's sounding like it's going to be a Montego Bay United reunion. Montego Bay United did mention in their Instagram post where they mentioned the Santos leaving is that they will have an announcement and his replacement soon, and I thought that was interesting, thinking maybe it really sounded like they might have some announcement quickly. No, you're trying to think maybe it's sounding like Whitmore's walking through those doors. We wait and see, of course, but regardless, it is pretty much a sad ending really to the whole Tappa Withmore era in Mount Pleasant. As I said to you, they won the championship last year, they went to the final this year, missed out barely on penalties, and he already won the regular season, of course. And you think because of his previous role as the Jamaican national team coach, that he obviously have monumental experience in Caribbean competitions, and with Mount Pleasant qualifying for the CONCACAF Caribbean Cup that's about to kick off very soon in August, you'll be thinking, all right, these guys will want to keep him Whitmore around because of the experience. But maybe Peter Gold is really Roman Abramovich in disguise, or is that maybe the source was correct and Whitmore just simply wasn't going to renew anyway. We wait and see, but now we start to dream of how this current Montego Bay lineup and team will function under a Tappa Withmore. Will Montego Bay fans be happy with that? And of course, he's a beloved son of the West. So again, we wait and see. But anyway, guys, that's all I got here at JampL Fun for this time. Man, I can say this has been some thrilling off-season activity for the Jamaican Premier League already. What are we now? England? It's absolutely been a gem so far. I wouldn't even know how the transfer season could happen yet. But we digress. We wait again to see what Whitmore does next. We await official statement from Mount Pleasant as well. Although Paul Christie did make a statement to the Jamaican Observer about the situation. But a lot more probably to come on this throughout the coming weeks. And of course, JampL will be around to give you all the best he can do to give you all the off-season information and news leading up to the new season. So if you're new here and like all that's going on in the Jamaican Premier League, stick around, like, subscribe, and share right here at JampL Fan. For everybody else, thank you again for watching, and big up yourself again, YouTube. We'll see you again next time.